Hello people, it's Mishan. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल पे. Today we are going to talk about The Suicide Squad, directed by James Gunn. It's more like a reboot. उसका finally trailer आ गया. This is a red band trailer, which means this is rated R, and it is a long trailer. It's almost 3 minutes long. To be specific, it's 2 minutes and 57 seconds long. So that's almost 3 minutes. I'm pretty excited for this one. But before I talk about Suicide Squad, or even start reaction to this trailer, I want to actually talk about Zack Snyder's Justice League, क्योंकि मुझे पता है बहुत लोग कम comments में लिख रहे हैं that where is like the movie review, and I've actually posted a post with Jared Leto's Joker saying that the video will be up this weekend. The weekend is now over, but the videos is still not up, and trust me guys, I'm actually trying my best to do it, and just give me a couple of more days, and trust me, it will be up. It will be up there on YouTube in like a couple of days, just 1 or 2 more days. That's it. I'm working on it and you'll get it. So I know it's okay. Justice League के बारे में और कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा क्योंकि I'll just talk about it in the review. But the Suicide Squad, it is like a reboot of 2016 में आई थी, I guess, the Suicide Squad. So it's like a reboot of that, which is done by James Gunn. पहली वाली Suicide Squad बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आई थी लोगों को. It had a Flash cameo though, and it is a part of DCEU, and काफ़ी actors हैं जो not काफ़ी डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स हैं इसमें. जो कैरेक्टर्स पहले वाली सुसाइड स्क्वाड में थे वो इसमें नहीं है. इसमें जोकर नहीं होगा, इसमें डेडशॉट नहीं है, इसमें और डीसी के कैरेक्टर्स हैं, बट मार्गरेट रॉबी इज रिटर्निंग एज हार्ली क्विन. सो दैट्स ग्रेट. सो चलिए, लेट्स वॉच द ट्रेलर एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट्स डिफरेंट एंड व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन. आई हैव एक्चुअली फेथ इन जेम्स गन, सो लेट्स वॉच दिस नाउ. द सुसाइड स्क्वाड ऑफिशियल ट्रेलर. हियर वी गो.
You're gonna risk the entire mission for a minute.
John Cena.
Just coming from a guy that wears a toilet seat on his head. We don't need one rule behind.
Toilet seat.
Still alive.
Oh, Amanda Waller is back. Red Flag is back. Okay.
3, 2.
What are you guys doing?
What? You? We're here to save you.
You were gonna save me?
This is a really good plan too.
Well, I can go back inside and you can still do it.
That's patronizing.
I'm so sorry. Harley Quinn.
Blood sport.
You know the deal. Successfully complete the mission, you get 10 years off your sentence. You fail to follow my orders in any way,
The bomb.
and I detonate the explosive device in the base of your skull.
Yep. Yondu. Captain Boomerang is also back. Yeah, Jay Courtney from the Horribly Beautiful Mind. I love that.
No.
King Shark.
Any questions?
Ah,
Yes, that is your hand. Very good.
we're all gonna die. I hope so. Oh, for fuck's sake. Here's the deal. We failed the mission, you die. If we find out any information you give us is false, you die.
If we find out you have personalized license plates, you die.
No.
If you cough without covering your mouth.
Harley, oh, that isn't an open invitation for you to cough without covering your mouth.
It's a throwback from the previous movie. I love that.
What the hell was listening? You're the leader. You're supposed to be decisive. And I've decided that you should eat a big bag of dicks.
If this whole beach was completely covered in dicks, and somebody said I had to eat every dick until the beach was clean for liberty, I would say no problem.
Why would someone put fetuses all over the beach?
Well, that's why madmen do what they do.
This is suicide.
Damn.
Are you worried yet? Let me get you out of here alive.
I'm going to get you out of here alive.
Oh my god, we got a freaking kaiju up in this shit!
Starro?
Love the rain. It's like angels are swooshing all over us.
Damn. Sylvester Stallone is and on HBO Max. Okay, HBO Max पे भी आ रही. That's great. Sylvester Stallone is also in the cast, and I believe he's giving the voice of King Shark. That is absolutely awesome. I really loved the trailer. Jan, मैं ये पहले कहने वाला था, but now I can actually say this. James Gunn is like Rohit Shetty of Hollywood. But you know why? Not because कि Rohit Shetty की तरह ये गाड़ियाँ उड़ा रहा है, not like that. But the comparison is he knows how to mix, how to fuse good action with good comedy. You fuse it together and you get an entertainer. And this is what it is. This movie is an entertainer. You watch this movie, अगर आपको कुछ आगे पीछे का नहीं भी पता, क्योंकि obviously this is a part of DCEU, so इसमें बहुत सारे references and Easter eggs, you'll get them a lot. लेकिन अगर आप कुछ आगे पीछे नहीं जानते हैं DC का, उसके बाद भी you can watch this movie and you'll actually enjoy it, क्योंकि it has that kind of comedy. This is we like DC's Guardians of the Galaxy, which was also directed by James Gunn. That is why I have faith in him, क्योंकि वो जितनी भी movies बनाता है James Gunn, he's really good in what he does. And I am not sure if he's returning for Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3 or not. I'm not sure about that. लेकिन man, this looks great. I love John Cena, and everyone. The cast is incredible. That is incredible cast. The story is gonna be good. And जैसा मैंने बोला, I have faith in James Gunn. James Gunn की अगर even if he is not directing, उसकी अगर थोड़ी सी भी involvement होती है किसी project में, it is good. There is this movie, I'm forgetting the name of it. Damn, it was kind of a superhero movie. Brightburn, was it Brightburn? I'm not sure. It's on Prime, I guess. Brightburn ही है शायद movie का नाम, but the concept was you all, every one of you know what is the origin of Superman, right? He was sent to Earth from a dying planet, so he was like kind of an alien. लेकिन the kind of जैसी उसकी biology थी, वो Earth पे आके change हो गई due to Earth's sun, and then he got these powers क्योंकि his cells were all charged up due to Earth's sun's radiation actually. So ये story थी, and he was adopted by another a couple, and then he became Clark Kent and eventually Superman. What if that alien जो भेजा गया था, who looks just like us, actually became the villain, actually became a bad guy? And that's what that movie is about. It's scary as hell. Scary Superman gone rogue. That's what that story is. And only as a kid, that is a nightmare. I thoroughly enjoyed that movie. I think James Gunn was the producer of that movie or the writer. I don't know I think his brother was the director. I'm not sure, but James Gunn was involved in that project, and it was great. It was not at all comedy. Let me tell you this. It was more like horror, action, drama, but it was not comedy. But it was good cinema. It was entertaining. And this is what this movie is all about. This is not horror, but it's comedy, good dialogues, good acting, good action, comedy. That is like really great. I'm loving this, and I really love the fact that this is rated R and this is a Red Band trailer. जो King Shark ने फाड़ा है ना आदमी को बीच से, मतलब that is so cool. I love that. But still, I don't know क्या होने वाला है आगे. But I'm actually supporting restore the Snyderverse क्योंकि DCU is great. It's great. I loved it. I love Zack Snyder's vision, and I'm definitely gonna watch this. HBO Max पे आ रही है, so I believe ये Book My Show पे streaming वगैरह के लिए available होगी, क्योंकि जैसे Zack Snyder's Justice League is also available to stream on Book My Show. I really hope ये भी हो, so that we can watch it. So that's it, guys. Please tell me your thoughts. मुझे बताइए, what do you guys think about the Suicide Squad, about this trailer? What are your thoughts? Please do let me know in the comments down below. And अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आई आप लोगों को तो प्लीज़ लाइक करिए इस वीडियो को. अगर आप ऐसी वीडियोस और देखना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करिए चैनल को. And if you want, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Stardust, and all the other social media apps. All of the links are mentioned in the description box down below. I do have a separate gaming channel जिसमें मैं gameplay videos डालता हूँ. Right now I'm playing Hitman, the 2016 game. Damn difficult. So I'm trying to upload gameplay videos उसकी भी. So if you want to check that out, उसका भी link नीचे description box में available है. And that's it. I'll see you soon, real soon. I promise you this. I will see you real soon with the full spoiler review of Zack Snyder's Justice League. Stay tuned. Till then, bye bye. Take care.